This is the Mono Gama by Shadow Hills Industries. Here we have the phantom power, which activates 48 volts to be used with condenser mics. Next, we have the attenuation switch that allows you to attenuate the signal by 18 dB. Finally, we have the polarity switch. The Mono Gama is unique because it can be switched between three transformers. First, the nickel. This setting has low distortion characteristics and flat, low frequency response. The upper bandwidth has a 10 kHz boost of 1 decibel. Then we have discrete. This is the transformerless position. The signal is exceedingly clear, uncolored, and exhibits a very fast transient response. Finally, we have the still setting. This setting is most colored and has a 1 decibel boost at 40 Hz with a tight Q. As you can hear, this microphone has a clean gain. I am currently using it on the discrete setting. You will find out that this mic pre is very versatile when it comes to recording various instruments. Let's not forget about the 1/4-inch guitar input as well. See the link down in the description box to purchase this preamp.